Attorney Poa, marami pong nabilib po sa inyong pagbibigay po ng argumento, no, vis-a-vis Congressman Chel Jokno nung isang araw. At marami nagtatanong bakit hindi na lang daw kayo naging yung lead defense counsel.
Well, ano naman po, no, nakakataba ng puso na may mga ganyang mga nagsasabi na kumbaga na-appreciate na ginawa nating argumento. But in the same manner, ako po naman ay talagang kailangan ko ipaabot ang aking paggalang kay Congressman Chel Jokno. Isa po talagang karangalan, no, na siya yung maging opposing ko nung araw na yon dahil I really look up to him and I have the utmost respect for him. Ngayon, pangalawa naman po, no, dun sa katanungan nyo, well, that's a team decision naman po sa atin. Ako naman, I have also my other functions kasi, no, aside from, of course, doing the legal work, I also have to do the media work, yung pagiging spokesperson. So, and I think maswerte rin kami na si Attorney Sheila Sison ang aming naging lead.
Tinawag niyo pong request doon sa financial records, a fishing expedition, sir. What leads you to believe that the prosecution will fail to establish a sufficient legal basis, sir?
Okay, sa amin man po, no, sir, pasensya na kayo. I cannot talk about the merits kasi, no, of our our position and of the case, but at least siguro I'll stick to what I already stated kasi yun naman ay na-televised na, no.
Yeah.
And that's not going to sway any public opinion any further. But sa atin naman, nilagay lang natin doon, gusto lang natin ilarawan at ipakita sa ating mga senator judges kung ano yung nangyari when the impeachment complaints were initiated. At gusto nating mapakita, no, na nung una ay walang nakakalakip na mga ebidensya man lang to support yung mga accusations at nagkaroon nga ng sa pananaw namin, of course with all due respect to the prosecution because I'm sure they will have a different view, sa pananaw lang po namin ay nagkaroon ng fishing expedition, no, at the committee level.